Hi student, Master Dayanidhi, ninth standard maths, exercise 1.1, question number 5. Represent the following sets in set builder form. Okay, represent the following sets in set builder form. Okay, now we already know that set, okay, yeah, set, the definition of set is a well defined object, now we are splitting the set as a three types. First one descriptive, first one is descriptive form, second one is set builder form, third one is roster form. We already know that descriptive form, set builder form and roster form. Descriptive form means they will give the question like a statement. Okay, yeah, descriptive form means the question will be in statement. Okay, then set builder form means we are constructing the set using the flower bracket. Okay, yeah, we are constructing the set. Then last one roster form means we are writing, we are getting the answer, final answer. Okay, yeah, that is roster form. They are also they will be in set flower bracket. Okay, yeah, they will be in flower bracket. Now we are going to see the fifth question. Now fifth question, first subtopic, the set of, they are given in the, they are asking to write it in the set builder form. Okay, yeah, see the set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day international. Okay, yeah, now we are constructing the set flower using the flower bracket. Usually we will write x such that x such that x is an, okay, yeah, Indian players, is an Indian cricket players. Also we can write Indian players who scored a double centuries in one day internationals. Okay, yeah, x such that x is an Indian players who scored double centuries in one day internationals. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. This is in the form of, this is set builder form, this one is descriptive form, statement. Okay, yeah, see the second one, c is equal to x such that x, see this numerical progression. Okay, yeah, see this sequence. If we are x such that x is equal to n by n plus 1, because we are taking n is equal to 1 means see n plus 1, 1 plus 1 2. If we are taking n is equal to 2 mean 2 plus 1 what, 3. If we are taking n is equal to 3 means 3 plus 1 what, 4. So this sequence is n by n plus 1, Now n belongs to natural numbers because we are taking 1, 2, 3 like that, not 0. Okay, yeah, n belongs to natural number. So how we have to read this? X such that x is equal to n by n plus 1. N belongs to natural number. This capital N denotes natural number. Okay, yeah. Now see the third one. The set of all Tamil months in a year. The set of all Tamil months in a year. Now we are constructing the set X such that X is a set and all we don't have to use. Okay, the X such that X is a Tamil months in a year. X such that X is a Tamil months in year. Okay, yeah. Then fourth one is the set of odd whole numbers less than 9. Okay, yeah. So X such that X is a odd whole numbers less than 9. X such that X is a odd whole numbers less than 9. Okay children, this is the set builder form. This is set descriptive form. Statement means descriptive form. We are constructing the set means that is called as a set builder form. Now see the sixth one. Represent the following sets in descriptive form. They are given the answer in a roster form. Last formation, the final form they are given. They are asking the question to write it in the first form statement. Just see January, June, July. The set P is equal to January, June, July. Okay, yeah. The set of all. Okay, yeah. The set of all English month. Okay, yeah. Month starting with the letter J. Am I correct? The set of all English month starting with the letter J. Letter J la start avara month தான் இங்க எழுதியிருக்காங்க. January, June, July. The set of all English month starting with the letter J. Now just see Q is equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. These are the numbers. What numbers? Prime numbers. 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. So, the set of all prime numbers, okay, yeah, between okay, yeah, between 5, because before 7 5 is there, and after 29 31 is there. Between 5 and 31, because before this 7 5 is there, after this 29 31 is there. The set of all prime numbers, okay, yeah, between 5 and 31. Okay, yeah. Just see the third one. R is the set R is equal to X such that X belongs to natural number less than 5. X such that X belongs to natural number less than 5 means the set of all natural numbers, the set of all natural numbers less than 5. That's all. The set of all natural number less than 5. Now see, X such that X is a consonant in English alphabet, the set of all consonant in English alphabets. That's all. Okay, children. So set we are having three types: descriptive, builder, or roster. Okay, yeah. Descriptive mean the question will be in a statement. Builder mean we have to construct the set. The roster mean last formation. We will get the exact answer. Okay, yeah. It's clear, children. Thank you.